World Human Rights Organization (UK) organized a protest rally in East London on Tuesday, June 9, 2026, demanding swift justice for the rape and murder of child victim Ramisa in Bangladesh and raising concerns over broader human rights violations in the country. The demonstration took place at the Shahid Minar premises in Altabali Park, East London, bringing together members of the British Bangladeshi community, human rights activists, journalists, community leaders, and concerned citizens. The rally was presided over by the organization's president, Ashikul Islam Ashik, and jointly conducted by General Secretary Lavlu Laskar, Dr. Azizul Anbiya, and Zakir Hussain Salim. Former BBC journalist Shamim Chaudhry attended as the chief guest. Addressing the gathering, she emphasized the importance of ensuring human rights, the rule of law, and freedom of expression in building a democratic and civilized society. She called for effective measures to prevent violence against women and children, protect journalists, and end the culture of impunity. Among those who speak at the event were community activist ASM Misbah, human rights activist Abdullah Chaudhry, former principal and president of the UK Bangla Reporters Unity Muhammad Shahid Rahman, General Secretary of UK Bangla Reporters Unity Abdul Bashir, Advocate Bazlur Rashid, Nazmun Sultana Shikha, Angur Ali, Mohan Mia, Abdul Quddus, Jahirul Islam, Humayun Kabir, Jamal Ahmed, Faisal Ahmed, Abdul Halal Chaudhry, Salim, Mutabbir Sanchunu, Abdul Jalil Chaudhry, Abdul Rab, Sahil Mia, Mufti Abdul Wadud, Mujib, Jessica Chaudhry, Rifa Akhtar, Shah Lovely Rahman, Jamila Khanam, Sagar Chaudhry Mohan, Moina Mia, Maqbul Hussain, Nizamuddin, Abdul Sattar, Nurul Haq, Muhammad Runu, Syed Gulab Mia, Maulana Halal Ahmed, Jilu Khan, Abul Hussain, Aklim Mia, Nazmul Hussain, Jubel Ahmed Balal, Sharif Alam, Muhammad Giyashuddin Shohag, Salim Ahmed, Rumel Khan, Masum Billah, and Abdul Haq, among others. Speakers strongly condemned the recent incidents of rape, murder, and violence against women and children in Bangladesh. They demanded a fair investigation and speedy trial in the Ramisa case and other recent incidents of violence and abuse. The speakers also called for stronger measures to ensure the safety of women and children, protect human rights, and guarantee an environment where independent journalism can flourish without fear or intimidation. Concluding the rally, participants urged the international community to play a more active role in promoting human rights, combating discrimination and oppression, and supporting justice and accountability worldwide. Abdul Rahim, J Times News Desk, London.
টাইমস টিভি
মননী বাংলা ভাষা সংস্কৃতি।